Welcome to our introduction part of YouTube Masterclass. Well, welcome to the course Introduction for YouTube Masterclass. In this comprehensive course, you will learn all the essential skills and strategies to become a successful content creator on YouTube. Whether you're looking an aspiring vlogger, a business owner, looking to promote your brand, or simply passionate about sharing your knowledge and creativity with the world, this masterclass is designed to help you achieve your goals. Well, this course is going to be separated in two parts or what you have to learn. Okay, so let's start off on the first part. On the first part, we have 4 points. One is understanding YouTube, content strategy, video production, and channel optimization. Let's start off by understanding YouTube. We'll start by exploring the platform. Okay, the platform is vast and there are hundreds and millions of YouTubers online and uploading photos, or let's say uploading videos every day, and the opportunities it offers. Okay, there is a vast opportunity of mass growth. You'll gain a solid understanding of YouTube's algorithm, analytics, and the different type of content that perform well on the platform. Okay, so there is also going to be a couple of restrictions or rules and laws of YouTube too. Then we are going to learn about the content strategy. Creating compelling and engaging content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. We'll dive into the process of developing a content strategy, including identifying your target audience, brainstorming ideas, and planning your video production. Okay, so you have to understand what your audience wants, or you need a really good content to put in the strategy, okay, so that you can grow fast. Okay, and then we are going to learn about video production. We'll discuss the technical aspects of creating high quality videos, from camera selection and lighting techniques to sound recording and editing. That is a very essential part. You'll learn how to shoot professional looking videos that captivate your audience. Well, we are not going to put much, let's say, much attention on that part, but we are going to help you to know about this platform and how you can grow faster, staying on this platform, which is going to be online based. Then we are going to learn about the channel optimization. To stand out on YouTube, you'll need to optimize your channel for maximum visibility. We'll cover topics such as let's say, creating an eye-catching channel banner, writing compelling videos, titles, and description using tags effectively, and leveraging thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Okay, so there is a different type of monetization for YouTube. Now let's go to the second part, which is going to be audience engagement, monetization and growth, YouTube policies and best practice. And then we are going to learn about YouTube algorithm and also SEO, which is a very important part. Let's start off with audience engagement and what it is. Building a loyal and engaged audience is crucial for long-term success. We'll explore strategies for fostering community engagement, responding to comments, collaborating with other creators, and leveraging social media to expand your search, or let's say expanding your reach. Let me give you an example on YouTube. Now you can see that I am on my YouTube platform. In this YouTube platform, I search for Mr. Beast. And you can see that he has a vast amount of videos. You can see 740 videos, and you can see that there is millions of views. Okay. And when I go to video section, I'm going to find a couple of videos where he is collaborating with other content creators too, and also making such content that let's say the viewers will find it attractive and watch it. Okay, you can see that there are millions of videos on each and every of his videos. Okay, so let's learn about the next point. So the next point is going to be monetization and growth. We'll delve into different monetization methods available on YouTube, including advertising revenue, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. You'll also learn how to optimize your channel for growth, attract subscribers, and leverage analytics to track your progress. Okay, that is also an essential part for monetization and growth, because if you are not monetized, you are not going to gain anything. Then we're going to learn about the YouTube policies and best practice. YouTube has specific guidelines and policies that you must adhere to. We'll discuss these guidelines, copyright issues, fair use, and other best practices to ensure your channel remains compliant and your content is protected. YouTube is a very secure place, but obviously you might think that there is a chance of your content being leaked or someone else using it. So you have that policy and that best practice given by YouTube, which is going to help you to keep your copyright claim and also that you are the owner, and YouTube is going to adhere to it and adhere to that policy and help you to, let's say, give you the ownership. So that is quite an example. Then let's go to the last point, which is going to be YouTube algorithm and SEO. Understanding how YouTube's algorithm works is crucial for optimizing your content's discoverability. We'll cover search engine optimization, which is SEO techniques, keywords, and strategies to increase your chances of higher, or let's say ranking higher in search results and recommended videos. When you are searching for something, you might see that one of the video will open up first. Let me just give you an example in YouTube. Now, as I'm back again on YouTube, let me just search for something. Let's say I'm going to type in best gaming mouse. I'm going to hit on enter, and it's going to give me the result for, let's say, you can see that there are a couple of these results that I found on YouTube. Okay. But among them, I found this first one, and that is from Trend Max, and it is also from 2 months ago. So obviously in SEO, by using the SEO, this channel is now ranked first. Okay. So we are going to find such keywords and use SEO so that we can get up on the top ranking of, let's say, search results and also search, related videos and all of those. So that is the work of SEO and the algorithm of YouTube. Thus, now we have like individual ideas about these 8 points and 2 parts of YouTube growth. So by the end of this YouTube masterclass, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the YouTube platform and the skill necessary to create, optimize, and grow a successful YouTube channel. Whether your goal is to entertain, educate, or inspire, this course will equip you with the knowledge and tools to make your mark on the YouTube community. So get ready to unlock your full potential as a YouTube content creator and embark on an exciting journey of creativity, engagement, and success. Let's dive into the world of YouTube together. So let's just move on to our first lesson, where we are going to learn about the YouTube Masterclass from scratch to advanced.